Hi, Todd here from Blue Marble Videos. Today we're going to take a look at a useful accessory for recharging cameras, drones, or other gadgets requiring recharging while in the field. The INIU P63E1 100 watt 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. Hi, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. INIU sent me this battery pack for the purposes of doing this review, but rest assured this review is entirely my own opinions and thoughts without any influence from INIU or anyone else. Okay, let's get the usual battery charging bank disclaimer out of the way first. Like with all battery packs and battery banks, what you see listed on the box isn't what you get for actual capacity. Now, this doesn't mean those companies are lying about the capacity. Instead, it's the nature of the physics of battery banks like this. Due to rundown limitations and other factors, you'll typically get somewhere between half to 3/4 of the actual capacity of the power bank that's listed on the box for any power bank from any company. The INIU here isn't an exception. It's listed at 25,000 milliamp hours. In reality, in my testing, it will reliably deliver between 60 and 70% of that. Again, this isn't a complaint or a negative, it's just the nature of battery banks. You won't find anything significantly different in any power bank from any company. But it's worth pointing out again because I want to ensure people understand how much juice they're actually going to get out of this when you purchase it. Okay, let's take a look at some of the specs and features. As you can see, it's relatively small, and at 400 grams, relatively light, easy enough to throw in a drone bag or camera bag, though not really a pocketable item. As you can see here, we have 2 available USB-C and 1 USB-A output ports for charging your gear. You'll see that one of the USB-C ports is a 100 watt port and the other is a 45 watt port. Of course, the USB-A port is a standard 18 watt port. The 100 watt USB-C port is also where you charge the power bank back up. You can do pass-through charging, so you can plug this into charge and at the same time plug something into one of the other 2 ports to get it charged up too. The 2 USB-C ports do support PD, power distribution protocol, so they'll deliver exactly what a compatible PD device requires and lower the power delivery to match the maximum safe amount for a given device. You can, of course, charge more than one device at a time, but you will be limited to the total maximum of the power bank, dependent on which ports are being used. Take a look at the handy information stamped right on the power bank for the various totals in various configurations. In my testing, and as mentioned earlier, you'll get about 60 to 70% of what is advertised, so around 16,000 milliamp hours usable capacity. Not bad for such a small battery pack. I've used it to charge my phone very easily and to charge up camera batteries several times. For drone use, I was using this with my Mini 4 Pro while hiking in the mountains and was able to get 4 full battery charges out of it. If you're left with 4 full batteries and can recharge each of them once, that's 8 full batteries worth of flying time and photography. Really a very good amount for such a small piece of hardware. Well, I didn't time it. Charging for anything I plugged in seemed fairly similar to when charging with mains power. So should you buy it? Is it worth it? Yes, I really think it is. It's a great little portable power bank, well worth it in my opinion. If you're needing something small, relatively light, and portable, a great option for tossing in your camera bag or drone bag to ensure you have enough juice to get that shoot done. What do you think? Is this the kind of portable power solution you're looking for? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you found this video useful, informative, and interesting, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel so you'll be informed of any new videos coming out here. As always, thanks for watching. Happy flying and filming and charging, and we'll see you next time.